Hermes Agent just became the most powerful AI SEO tool on the planet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it's doing to websites right now and how I'm using it to rank. Now, 133,000 people have already started this on GitHub. It's free, it's open source, it's growing faster than any AI agent ever has. Here's why SEO people specifically are going crazy for this. Hermes doesn't just write content, does your keyword research, plans your website, publishes a post, schedules new content every single morning, all whilst you sleep, all for free. I've been running it on my own website, so I'm going to show you the actual traffic results in just a second. And the craziest part is the longer Hermes runs, the better it gets at SEO for your site. It learns your niche, it builds its own skills, it understands your context, it rewrites its own playbook over time, which I'll show you exactly how it works step by step in a second. And if you want a free AI agent that handles your entire SEO operation on Autopilot, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Hermes Agent just replaced my entire SEO team, and I want to show you exactly what this means because most people running SEO right now have no idea how crazy these agents are. For my own websites, my own content, my own SEO experience, I've actually handed the keys to Hermes, and what I've seen running this for months has changed how I think about SEO completely. Here's the proof. So, for example, you can see this website right here. This went from like pretty much zero all the way up to 1,000 clicks per day, 1,100 clicks per day, right? Another went from basically nothing to up to 346 clicks a day. Another is now sitting at 40 clicks per day. This basically started from zero too. And here's another one which has got up to like 30 clicks a day from zero again. So many different sites that earn ranking on Google, ranking inside AI search engines too, all built, all run, all managed by Hermes, which is awesome because if you're not familiar with Hermes, it's free, it's open source. And, I used to think that you'd need a team, a keyword researcher, a content writer, a link builder, an editor, etc. Someone to push changes live, maybe an SEO manager on top. That's how my agency runs for my clients' websites. And that's how my own websites themselves used to be run. But I'm telling you right now, if you're like a business owner, if you're running your own websites, if you're setting up new projects, that whole setup has become very, very slow and clunky compared to something like Hermes Agent. And the other crazy thing about this is that you can set up, for example, like Hermes Agent swarms. So let me find an example of this, right? So we can conduct a whole office, a whole team of agents working together. Like you can see right here, we can launch a new mission, or we can go to Hermes Swarms and we can have a swarm of agents building out our SEO strategy. I actually have an office and a team of agents right here working on SEO. And anytime I say go off and do something, it will just go off and do it, like you see right here. So, for example, it came up with a full cluster and keyword research plan, right? And it can plan out and create content. It can do multiple things at once. When you've got a team of like 12 of those agents working together, well, they're pretty much unstoppable compared to a team of humans, right? A team of humans can't match what a swarm of Hermes agents can do for SEO and volume work, not on speed, not on volume, not on output quality. I've tested, I've watched the results, and I keep saying this. The only reason to handle volume SEO work the old way in 2026 is if you don't know Hermes or AI agents like OpenClaw actually exists yet. Especially if this is for your own website and maybe it's a small site where you just need to create some content, rank it, etc. Now, if you're not familiar with this, Hermes just used to be like a small open source AI agent, free, easy to install. People used it for a few coding tasks. And then a few updates recently dropped that flipped the whole thing into something different. And you can see, for example, if we look at the most popular apps and agents in the world, Hermes is now right up there as number 2 in the world on OpenRouter, right? It's way up there. It's trending right now. It's becoming very, very powerful. And the trajectory of this stuff is going up all the time. I mean, look at Hermes Agent, and then you compare it to something like OpenClaw, right? OpenClaw's usage is dropping massively, like almost every single day. You can see that right now. Whereas you compare that to Hermes and the trajectory of Hermes, and Hermes is improving all the time, right? It's becoming more and more popular. So let me show you some examples of how you can use this. Well, you've got like the Kanban orchestrator with Hermes Agent. If you've never seen that before, basically you can go to your terminal here once you've got Hermes Agent installed, and then you can type in Hermes dashboard like so. That will set up a live UI like you can see right here. And then what we can do is go down to, and you can see, for example, we created a whole new SEO blog, planned out a whole SEO content strategy, and built out the full AI SEO website using our agents. And we can just assign this to Hermes Agent right here, right? So you've got the Kanban orchestrator, and then you also have something called the goal system, right? If you're not familiar with this, you can go into Hermes like so and type /goal and set a goal from there. And you can set what's known as a persistent goal. Now, if you're not familiar with this, essentially you can set a goal like build out a website, rank a website, go to Ahrefs, do my whole keyword strategy, create content, and it creates an autonomous loop, right? So the agent works and just continues working at a task. And then you've also got other tools like, for example, Hermes Workspace, which has the mode with agent swarms. You've got Aeon UI, which helps handle all of your agents in one place. And one by one, every job that a human used to do in SEO is getting automated. And if you look at what each Hermes update changed, well, things are changing very quickly, right? So, for example, the first job swapped out was keyword research. I can go into my Hermes Agent Swarm and I can say, okay, go off and just do keyword research for me as a deep dive, right? Like you can see right here, this foundation agent actually created 2 files for me, right? The keyword deep dive and the keyword clusters. And it writes these down in like markdown format as an agent swarm. And you can see, for example, here, it will just completely automate my keyword research, finding like the difficulty tier, the priority, etc. Now, it writes in markdown. If you want to preview that, you can do that like so. And then if we have a look at this, like it creates a beautiful table of all of our keyword research and what we can rank for directly, right? And so you can say, for example, find me 90 long tail keywords for AI agents. Hermes goes off, it runs in a loop, and then either with agent swarms, it'll have a full team completing that task, or with the goal section here, there's an AI judge that actually checks the work, right? It keeps going until the job is done. So there's no checking in, there's no managing, there's no briefing. You literally just walk away, you come back, the keyword's sitting in a clean markdown file like you can see right here from Hermes, and that's done on your computer, right? And that used to take a junior researcher or SEO full-time specialist like a full week to do. Hermes will do it in 5 minutes. The second job swapped out is content, right? So for example, if we have a look at this website that Hermes actually built for me yesterday, and this is using the Kanban feature that I just showed you, which you can see right here, doesn't only write blog posts, right? It plans the whole website. It, for example, plans out the pillars, the keyword clusters, the topical maps, the content velocity plans, on-page SEO templates, right? GEO setup for AI search engines, internal linking depth rules, right? Even the URL structure. And it writes it all into a strategy document for you, like a senior SEO strategist would, but way more organized, way faster. And it does it in like 5 minutes. And if you're running this with free APIs or you're running it with local models, then you can actually do it for free, right? And the third job that's swapped out is the blogging, right? So for example, if we have a look at this blog post here, you can point Hermes at the strategy document that you created with your agent swarm. You tell it to start writing. It generates blog posts that match your brand voice. It pulls from skills you've trained it on. It adds internal links. It formats everything. It even writes hooks at the top. And I'll be honest with you, most of the content reads better than what I was getting from human writers that I worked with on my own websites, right? And the fourth job that swapped out is publishing, right? So Hermes can connect to Netlify. It can build projects locally. It can connect to WordPress. And so you can give it an access token and it'll push the content live for you, which means you don't need to copy and paste. You don't need to fiddle around in WordPress. Hermes just runs the whole publish setup. And the fifth job that's swapped out is the actual scheduling, right? So the schedule task feature inside Hermes, you can set to run daily. So I can say, for example, inside Hermes here, like go off and schedule one blog post per day, right? Every single day, create a blog post. And the schedule task feature lets you set Hermes to run daily. Something like post one new SEO blog every morning at 5 a.m., right? And it just runs in the background, picks a fresh topic from the keyword strategy it's already created before, publishes it, you wake up, there's a new page live, right? A new opportunity to rank. And it does it every single day without you, right? Now, the sixth job that swapped out was link planning. Now, link building itself is still quite a manual task, especially if you've not done it yourself. It is quite energy draining, but to actually plan out the prospects you're going to get backlinks from, you can do that with Hermes too, right? And so this is a full website and SEO strategy that Hermes planned with agent swarms. You can see this link building strategy MD file here, right? Now, if we take a look at this, basically what it's done is it's figured out, okay, where can we get backlinks from? How can we get them? And then where are the opportunities to rank? And so it will actually plan out your full link building strategy for you. So Hermes can build out a full link strategy. It can pull out a list of relevant directories, communities, Discord and Slack groups, forums, Q&A sites, PR opportunities, write it all in one single markdown like this that's ready to go. And the thing that a junior SEO would spend a week on, Hermes does in 2 minutes. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, but those are just lists, you still need a human to do that. That's fair enough, right? But Hermes can also help you with the outreach emails. It can also sort by domain authority. It can queue the whole campaign for you, right? And so the human bottleneck of every single task that's set up with SEO is shrinking all the time. And here's where it gets interesting. You know, with Hermes Workspace, it has that agent swarm mode. So this is a free open source project. And one thing that it comes with is something called swarm mode, right? As I showed you earlier. And so this lets you run a team of Hermes agents in parallel, 12 agents at once, for example, all working towards one mission. One agent on keyword research, one on writing, one on internal linking, one on link building, one on competitive gap analysis, maybe one on technical SEO. And they can all run at the same time, all in the background, whilst you just go off and do something else, right? And a real SEO team might have like 10 people on staff, right? Hermes lets you spin up 12 agents in 5 minutes. So don't sleep, don't go on holiday, don't get sick, don't quit, don't. And, you know, they all work together in parallel and they can work for free for you, right? And if you've never seen this, look at what one agent does inside a swarm. All right. So, for example, the foundation agent that you can see here, that alone will build out the competitive gap analysis, which you can see right here. It will plan the keyword strategy, it will find featured snippets, it will draft the full technical SEO plan. That's a full SEO strategist monthly output from one agent in one single swarm, whilst 11 other agents are doing the rest of the job, right? Now, I want to bring you back to the question that started this. Why would you run your websites the old slow way in 2026? Because here's what I've actually seen on my own projects, right? I've run sites with Hermes that have ranked in like 3 weeks. I've watched Hermes write a 50-page SEO website with proper pillars, clusters, hooks, CTAs, and internal linking built fully in one Kanban session. I've watched Hermes deploy that website to Netlify with one prompt. And I've watched Hermes pick up topics from a competitor analysis, write fresh content on those topics, and have it live by the morning, right? And so this is just so much faster and easier than having a normal SEO team. The other cool thing that you can do with this is you can actually set up, for example, something like Omi and Obsidian, which you can see right here, right? And so Obsidian creates a lot of context and then it plugs it into something like Omi, right? And Omi is just taking notes all day on my context, what I'm working on, how I work. It writes these memories and then links to all my favorite apps. From here, it'll record those memories inside Obsidian and it organizes everything together. And then my agents can actually take all of that context and use it to write the best possible SEO content they can, right? And so this is a super powerful way of creating customized, personalized SEO content focused on you using the power of Hermes Agent. And with Omi, it's automatically recording my screens, taking notes, and then plugging those into Obsidian, and then linking all the knowledge together. So that's basically it. That is how Hermes has replaced my entire SEO team, what I'm working on, how it's working together, etc. If you do want to get a free SEO strategy session where we look at your website, we show you how to rank, we show you what you can improve your websites and how to get better rankings, you can book in the free SEO strategy session at goldie.agency, link in the comments description, or go to goldie.agency. And you can get a free SEO link building strategy plan. We'll give you a free SEO domination plan too. You can ask any questions on the call, and you can also learn the best link building strategies for your website, plus how to outrank your competitors with SEO. So feel free to book that in. And if you want to get my full setup for Hermes AI SEO, how I'm using it, etc., then we have tons of training inside the AI Profit Boardroom community. We have video tutorials, step-by-step guides, and a full section on AI SEO automation, including how we use Hermes for AI SEO with a full step-by-step guide. All my best prompts, all my best setup, plus you can personally connect with me too. There's loads of SEOs inside there. Inside the community, you can ask questions. There's lots of people using AI agents like OpenClaw and Hermes. We drop new daily advanced tutorials right here. We also have a beginner to expert roadmap as well. And then we have weekly coaching calls where you can ask questions, share your screen, ask about your setup, etc. You can actually meet people in your local city who are using AI agents like Hermes and OpenClaw too. And that's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comments description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com to get access. Thanks for watching.